What's going on, gentlemen? Jacked up from JW Landscaping here today. We are finally back. Spring has hit fully for us. We're gonna be mowing some high grass today though. We're gonna also do our wedding venue property, our content property as we call it. We're gonna get some drone footage. We're gonna get some video content for you guys, all you guys that love the lawn care. I have a video coming out for the Scag V-Ride 2 review. And Rick's gonna be cutting all this high grass. This is a customer who we just got, and you know, they realized, ah, shit, there's a lot of grass to be cut, and this is our first time mowing it this year, so it's high in a lot of spots. But we'll set the camera up, we'll get some high grass cutting for you guys. Some of you guys really like that out there, and let's get into today though. The reason we haven't uploaded it a lot this year is simply because of how, you know, we gotta work. You know, we're running a business here. It ain't just us mowing grass for video content. We run a business, and spring is a crazy time, as all you brothers and sisters out there know. We're out here working, we're out here grinding, trying to make money, and but we want to make content too. So let's get to it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I just finished going and doing my up and downs. I'm about to hit the diagonals. I mean, it's already looking good. Can't really see anything, but like it looks like that, just up and down. I'm gonna be doing my diagonals right now. I'm gonna get some footage of that. The sun's not the greatest, but you should be able to see the lines, hopefully, because it is like gonna be a high of 64 today here in Bucks. So it's a nice day. Yesterday was a lot better. I got sunburnt, not really sunburnt, but the sun really beat down on me yesterday, and I had to call it quits because I was dehydrated. I went through I have a thing of water, 64-ounce canteen of water, and I drank all that, and I was just dehydrated. I was nauseous at the end of the day, or on our last property, and I just couldn't do anymore. But we're back today, better than ever, feeling good. We'll go ahead and get these strikes put in, and let's get it. We started out with a little bit of a montage of the first morning properties. We just completed our biggest neighbor. God damn, my beard's getting thick. Gotta give my boy Selvin to trim this shit up, my barber, you know. But yeah, so today we got probably 6-7 more. It's about 2:30. We'll get a lot of footage at these other properties. They're a little bit smaller. We can get some content going. We got some drone footage this morning, which was awesome, man. I love the weather right now here in PA. Bucks County, PA, man. It is currently like 82 degrees outside. The last 3 days have been nothing but sun. It's actually to the point where you can see the grass is starting to fade a little bit on us. We need some rain. As crazy as it sounds, May 2nd, we need some rain. This is blowing my mind. But we got a new guy joining our crew. He's actually an old friend of mine back in my gaming days. You know, he hit me up. He was going through a rough patch in life, and he was like, hey man, you got any work for me? And I said, literally that morning, Rick and I were talking, we need an extra guy this year, just by how the phone doesn't seem to stop ringing, man. And there he is right there. Making sure he gets everything. But I gave him a week to get back on his feet, and he basically approached me and said, hey, do you have a full-time gig available? I'd love to move out here, and you know, he had to figure out his roommate situation back in Rhode Island, where he's from. But you know, it seems to be working out. Rick and I were talking that morning, which is, it's almost like that you know, that higher power, man, is speaking to you. Rick and I were talking, we're just like, it just seems like the phone never stops ringing, and we don't want to say no to these accounts, but I've already turned down like 15 this year. But with a third guy, we could accept that and continue to expand and continue to grow our business and grow our content, because he's also a photographer, videographer. So he's a good person to have on staff. He's, again, one of my old friends who we've kind of reconnected over the last month or so. And it's just been a blessing in disguise, truly. So we're very excited. I know this is more serious than our normal vlogs, but we're going to get some content today with him. Maybe shoot the shit a little bit. Maybe we'll start a podcast or something. All right, boys, so we're wrapping up the day, but I wanted to just talk about this quick. I'm actually working with a company now that is a energy supplement, energy drinks company that I'm working with, that I'm actually a massive fan of now. I got some of their products. I was on the fence if I wanted to, you know, promote them. I really have loved Ghost Energy. That's been my #1 go-to, but I found this brand through our gaming team, Sky. I wanted to give them a shot, and they had an affiliate sponsorship program. We put in our info. They accepted to work with us, so I'm now pushing Rogue Energy products. So they have hydration, they have energy, and they have a thing called Chill, which is to help you relax when you're stressed out. It's not a drug or anything like that. But these energy drinks are top tier, man. I got the Tropical Breeze. Man, it tastes so good. You know how energy drinks sometimes get that like medicine-y kind of taste to it? I know Red Bull has it, I know Monster definitely has it. Ghost, some flavors do, but not nearly as much. I'm a big supporter of Ghost. I love Ghost products. But this stuff, man, it tastes like juice almost. And it's so good. 200 milligrams of natural caffeine. There's a bunch of different stuff. It's all vegan friendly, sugar free, soy free, gluten free. And it's just a really, really good product. If you guys want to check it out, I have a 10% code in the description below. Their products are really good. They're more into the gaming side of things. That's where their big marketing is. But I thought, you know what? We pound energy drinks back. We need to stay caffeinated to keep the hustle going in the lawn care landscaping business and industry. So I'm pushing Rogue products. This stuff is really good. You guys should give them a try. Like I said, code in the description below, JWD. Check it out. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are starting the training session with Colin on the 48 Kubota Z411 mower. The mower that I basically started my entire company with. Right there. It's already set. I gotta put the deck up. Not that height. Alright? Deck's up. Ready. Lower. Alright. There we go. what you're gonna do is you're just
Wait, did I do that right?
Yep, everything you did was right. The only thing is, you can get close to the back.
Okay.
Alright, so when the blades are on, you can pull back.
And then you can see.
The blades will stay running no matter which direction you go.
Yeah.
They're running at speed. So, there. Alright? This controls the blade. Okay? Up to, they're on. Well, here.
Yeah.
This is the throttle. Up and down. Up goes fast, down goes slow. Turtle, rapid. Okay? This is your deck mode. This is just how much track you're cutting. Okay? You're set there. We're going to do this right here.
Only this?
Just for right now.
So turn.
Go straight, come back, go straight. See Rick's line? Come here. Bring it over here.
Yeah, but I'm saying, like, am I going all the way back?
You want to? Alright, so the arc brakes off. Ready?
Yeah, do the perimeter.
Yep, make sure your blades are on.
What's going on, boys and girls? It's your boy, Big Dick Rick. This kid, it's your boy Ricky J. Yeah, on the game, baby. Getting charisma, the little short peep, getting the little short peeps with fucking action on this 48. Here in a minute, I'll be jumping on the 52. Gonna do this front yard with the help of Jack, but you know, it is. We gonna get it done, man. I got burnt today. If I take this off right now, dude, my shoulders. Woo! Hey, it's a good coat. It's good later. Now I just gotta get the chest, my back, everything else, because everything else is just white. Like my legs are white. But I mean, you know, first pass, yeah, it ain't too shabby. It ain't too bad. But yeah, I just thought I'd jump on since Jack gave me the camera to do whatever I want. So I'm doing whatever I want, player. So I will see y'all later. Peace.